Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. This was the one I made yesterday. Now I didn't write out the pattern, so I'm trying to recreate this one. It started with the magic circle, and I did 10 double crochet on the magic circle. So start with the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make 12 double crochet. 6, 7, 8, 'Once it is 12, I am going to slip stitch to the first one, which is chain 3. Now I can tighten the magic circle. What I am going to do is I am going to cut the yarn and lock it in place. In the next round, I am going to attach the white yarn. I'm going to make a V-stitch. So 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and a double crochet in the same space. Now I'm going to skip one stitch, then moving to the next stitch and make another V-stitch. That's what I think I made. V-stitch. Okay, there was one chain. And skip the stitch, going to the next one. Chain 2. Chain 1 and skip the next stitch, going to the next one. Chain 1, make a slip stitch to the third chain, and I am going to cut the yarn. Now what I did is puff stitches and chain 2 in each of the spaces. I use the coral pink. To repeat that one, chain 3, ones. Then I'm going to make a chain 2, go into the another next chain space, so the puff stitch, 1 2 3, then chain 2. Now we are going to join to the top of the first puff stitch. Okay. Then I added yellow. Two single crochet. Attach the yarn, chain 1 2 single crochet, wait, I do, yeah, on the third single crochet on this one, otherwise it is not going to be flat. So single crochet in every stitch. think I made this way. Join with the slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet, then chain 3, and in the single crochet, using the single crochet as a post, we are making 3 double crochet, skipping these 2 and going to put it here. 1, then chain 3, using this single crochet as a post, 3 double crochet, skip the next 2 stitches and putting it on top of this puff stitch, a single crochet, then chain 3, it is not that flat, but if you block it, it will lay flat. This is the finished version. Now you know that it is not that perfect because I have 13 spikes over here, but still it looks good.